It's lunchtime, my dude.
I've never filmed an intro before, so I have no idea what I'm doing. Where's a good boy? Today. Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be taking you into my kitchen and I'm going to be showing you how to make super simple, super easy cream puffs. So to start off the cream puffs, we're just going to milk, add the butter to that, and add the salt, and bring that to a simmer. Alright, so we're just bringing the milk and the butter and the salt to a boil. Make sure all the butter is melted before we add in the flour. Now all the butter is melted, we're just going to slowly add the flour. Get all of it in, and then we're just going to stir it up. And we're going to make sure that we keep scraping the bottom. We still have it on a nice low heat because we want to make sure we cook out any moisture that's in the eclair paste. You want to make sure you're mixing really good because you want to make sure all of the flour gets soaked up. Just make sure you're mixing really good. Make sure there's no pockets of flour. Don't want the dough to start cooking and burning while it's in the pan, so you want to make sure that you're constantly mixing it around. So it's going to start forming a bit of a ball. That means that we're getting close. Now that a lot more of the moisture has cooked out of this, we're ready to put it into the stand-up mixer. So we're just going to scrape the eclair paste into the stand-up mixer. And we're going to beat it on a low speed with a paddle attachment for a couple minutes just to get some of the heat out. So now that this has cooled down a bit, we're going to slowly add our eggs, a little bit at a time. We want to make sure that we just stop and scrape down the sides. And we're going to add the rest of our eggs. Alright, so now we're just going to scrape this off and we're going to scrape the sides of the bowl and put everything into a pastry bag. So now we're going to put everything into this piping bag using a basic round piping tip. As you can see, my pastry bag has a slight leak in it, so I'm just going to pop it into this Ziploc bag to prevent a bunch of mess from getting all over my hands. Alright. Now we're just going to pop these cream puffs into the oven.
20 minutes later.
Now that they are done, we're just going to take them out of the oven and you can see they puffed up beautifully. Alright, so now we're going to fill a couple cream puffs. For my trick, I like to take a cream puff and I like to take a piping tip and I just punch a little hole in the side. Makes it so much easier. Grab your cream puff, find your hole, and squeeze. Now for decorating the cream puffs, you can take your cream puff and dip it into your chocolate ganache, or you can take your cream puffs, sprinkle them with a little bit of icing sugar. Alright my friends, that is how you make a cream puff. We're just going to cut into this one so I can show you how much filling there is. This is the pastry, this is the cream. Turned out really good.